Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya hoy suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic.
Helly, please determine Terry's whereabouts.
Right, Rolly! Well, here we are. See you later.
We heard he's moving for good. For good? Oh, I see.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TT.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
What's the matter, Gordon? Why have you stopped here? This isn't a station.
I've...
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning!
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Steve McQueen, your prisoner.
Shoot, no, we're best buds. I ain't bragging or nothing, but I...
Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock. Me be jamming now, man.
Do you want to stay at the Cozy Cone or what?
Huh?
I mean, if you do, you gotta be clean, because even here in Hillbilly Hell, we have
Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here tonight to party.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't...
Identified as Crop Hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
really? Oh, that...
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan...
He's done.
Done? It's only been an hour.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. thank you.
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you left?
You got me! Very funny!
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, no, no.
I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electromagnetic pulse.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le micheli non funzionano!
What's he saying?
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!